yeah. And it's a good, I won't even worry anymore. Took all my cares, took and kicked them all out the door.
Hi, my name is Sean O'Kane with Chip Estimate TV, where we bring you the latest trends and information in semiconductor design and IP. My guest today is Suk Lee, Senior Director, Design Infrastructure Marketing with TSMC. Thank you very much for taking the time to join us.
Nice to talk to you again, Sean.
Yeah, well, we're here at TSMC OIP 2012, and it looks like great crowds here, a lot of wonderful collaboration. We've talked to a number of your partners, and it's all very, very exciting.
That's great to hear. We're very happy with the turnout this year.
So what's different about OIP this year?
Well, you know, this is the second year we've done the show, and we had a very good response from our customer base last year. And so what we did was we expanded the technical paper tracks to give even more technical content than we had last year. And then the other difference from last year was that this year we invited the press.
Okay. What makes OIP different than any other ecosystem?
Yeah, there's a couple of characteristics of the OIP ecosystem, and in fact, Mark Liu, our co-COO, touched on them this morning. One of the things about the OIP ecosystem is that we've been working on this for 10 years. And as you know, we're a firm believer that by working with our partners, we get to leverage the strengths of our partners and increase our engineering effective bandwidth. One of the differences between our OIP ecosystem and other ecosystems is the breadth of the offerings, the depth of work that we do with our partners, and frankly, the fact that we don't compete with our customers. We're 100% focused on making sure that we enable our customers, and in no time would we make products that would be in competition with our customers.
That's great. You know, I woke up this morning and the first thing on my mind was, Sean, as I said to myself, what is transparent double patterning? And I thought, maybe I'd ask you.
There you go. So transparent double patterning is what we call the work we've done with our partners to make sure that the complexity associated with doing design in the 20 nanometer era minimally impacts our existing design flows. So it's transparent to the place and route designer in the sense that all you have to do is make sure that your design is what we call G0 rule compliant, and then we will take care of the decoloring of the chip to make sure that it's actually manufacturable. Okay,
great. We've talked in the past about the TSMC reference flows, and why are the number of reference flows increasing?
That's a reflection of the increased complexity of the technical solutions our customers are able to take advantage of, as well as the fact that we've introduced a new capability with our CoWoS manufacturing capability. CoWoS, which stands for chip on wafer on substrate.
Well, that leads me to my next question is it really here? Is CoWoS coming soon, or is it here?
So we believe that CoWoS is here. We've released the reference flow because all the design infrastructure to enable customers is there. And in fact, we have the world's first CoWoS wafer with a heterogeneous system comprising of an additional wide I/O DRAM in our booth. So you're welcome to come over and take a look at that.
We will. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to join us. For Suk Lee, my name is Sean O'Kane with Chip Estimate TV. See you next time.
Thanks, Sean.
All right.
I'm on top of the world, now I'm living, and the good just gets better, keeps on giving. Not even close to the end, it's just beginning. Life is getting lighter while the days are getting brighter, yeah.